Hello and welcome to the second video devlog for Ardenfall. We have a huge amount of features and content to show off, as well as a bit of news. Ardenfall's Steam page has been published. If you're interested in the project, please wishlist the game. A huge amount of work has been done on the Nakibani forest. It's starting to look truly swampy. New details, foliage, particles, and level design has made this region absolutely beautiful. The Garvat camp has been rebuilt from scratch with a lot more detail added. Other points of interest dot the forest, including several locations that will be made into quests. Here's a few shots of the new foliage found in the forest and beyond. The Zokai tree, Nakibani tree, and bamboo. A new dungeon is currently being designed. Great ruins have collapsed into the tunnels gnawed away by monsters below, creating a unique location. New work has been done on Garkai. New platforms and walkways have been modeled and implemented, and we've also added a few new decoration assets. We're starting to figure out how to make this town a little less confusing level design wise. On to concept art, a new monster has been concepted. The Onboro is a dangerous and poisonous insect that plagues the wetlands. I can't wait until this is modeled. The Temple of Garkai has begun its concept phase as well. Here are a few beautiful concept pieces for this location. While sand elves are rare in the wetlands of Ardenfall, they sometimes travel to Garkai for various regions. Some beautiful clothing has been concepted for these characters. And here's a cute animation of the Shujian, a friendly spirit who collects shiny things. A new quick slot system has been implemented. Now you can always see what items have been quick slotted. Alongside this addition comes quick using. This allows certain items to be used with the click of a shortcut. Currently, potions and consumables are quick usable, as are spells. Finally, the player is able to cast multiple spells easily without switching their current main spell. NPCs can also quick cast. We've also added intelligent casting, making the NPC decide to cast certain spells in certain situations. Here's an example of an NPC quick casting Fire Shield once the player pulls out a fire spell. They'd react in the same way if the player pulled out an enchanted weapon, or if they were on fire for some reason. We've also begun creating an ability system. These can be slotted and utilized via shortcuts. Here is a Fire Blade action ability. A few new spells have been added as well. The Spirit Orb spell will summon a friendly orb that will do damage to enemies. The higher the spell level, the more orbs spawn. A Raise Dead spell has been added as well. Cast it on any dead body and it will raise from the dead, ready to protect you. Alongside this spell addition comes a new companion system, which gives the player info about their companions: name, level, health, status effect, and despawn time. The summoning spells have new VFX as well, both in terms of particles and shaders. Also, NPCs can cast summoning spells now. The resting system has received a simple facelift. When resting, the game will display a nice clock, which allows the player to rest up to 24 hours. The player can also save or load their game from this screen, since quick save via shortcut is not available in this game for game design reasons. NPC spawners have gotten a lot of features added. They now spawn much more intelligently, taking into account manually placed spawners in other volumes. They also support respawning, with some fancy logic determining when and how many monsters to spawn. New spawn rules have been added as well: time of day, water versus terrain, and more. This will allow certain monsters to only appear at nighttime or daytime. A simple bounty system has been created. If you attack, steal, or kill someone, this will count towards your bounty for that region. If your bounty goes above 1,000, guards will apprehend you, demanding gold. If you refuse, you will be marked as a wanted man, and will be attacked on sight for the next 24 hours. After this time period, guards will apprehend you and demand gold once again. Since we don't have a jail system yet, if you don't have enough gold, you're tough out of luck. I hope you enjoyed this inside look of this month's development of Ardenfall. If you want to learn more about the project, please check out our previous devlog. And of course, subscribing and wishlisting our game on Steam are more ways to keep in touch. May the Shadow's roots protect you, Outlander. and have a great day.